Now we are going to discuss about what are the physical therapy management of the myasthenia gravis. Potential benefits of the physical therapy in the myasthenia gravis is the weight reduction, decrease in risk of the hypertension, diabetes, cholesterol, decrease in risk of the cardiac diseases, risk of osteoporosis is also decreased, mood elevation, improve cognitive function, enhance benefits, enhance baseline functional capacity, improved mechanical efficiency. Exercise provides many benefits to people living with the myasthenia gravis, including boosting the immune system, improving energy levels and overall fitness, improving gut health, mental clarity, sleep, and the mood. Here is the some exercises. Aerobic exercise, strengthening exercise, stretching exercise, swimming, shaker exercise, postural exercise, breathing exercise, and the eye exercise. So we will discuss one by one. First of all, aerobic exercise. Aerobic exercises is the low impact exercises such as walking, swimming, and the light jogging may actually reduce fatigue in patients with the MG. So here is the 5 to 10 minutes के लिए हम aerobic exercise करवा सकते हैं 2 times per day 5 to 7 days per week. वॉक यूज़ कर सकते हैं हम, स्टेशनरी बाइक यूज़ कर सकते हैं और आर्म बाइक वगैरह यूज़ कर सकते हैं. Then is the strengthening exercises in which two sets 8 to 10 repetitions of 3 to 5 exercises. Stabilization exercises, hand weights, cuff weights, resistance bands. You can see in this picture is the stabilization exercises. Here you can see in this picture is the resistance band for strengthen the muscles, and here is the hand weights. Strengthen exercises should be done progressively. Range of motion flexibility to light resistance to full resistance. Start with low prescriptions, 3 sets of 5 repetitions. If significant weakness is present, active assist exercise may be necessary. The primary goal of therapy is to build the individual strength to facilitate return to work and activities of the daily living. Don't overdo resistive training to the point of fatigue. Then is the stretching exercises, which is also important for the myasthenia gravis patients. Here is all the stretching exercises you can see in this picture: quadricep stretch, wrist stretch, piriformis stretch, wrist extension stretch. These are all the stretching exercises. Then next is the swimming. Swimming is also important for the myasthenia gravis patients, in which patients should swim in water where they can touch the bottom. Deep water is dangerous and may cause patient to overexert. Next is the shaker exercise. Shaker exercise can be used safely by myasthenia gravis patients in order to improve dysphagia. It improves a patient's quality of life and it appears to reduce the risk of aspiration by reducing post-swallow residue. First of all, lie down on your back on the floor or a firm mattress. Keep your shoulders flat. Don't lift your shoulders. Bend your head forward so that your chin tuck. Try to see your toes. This is the shaker exercise. Next is the postural exercise. Posture exercise important in assisting with the breathing, speaking, and swallowing. Keeps bones and joints in the correct alignment so that muscles are being used properly. Prevents fatigue because muscles are being used more efficiently, allowing the body to use less energy. So here is the grow tall cervical retractions exercises. Here you can see in this picture, these are all the grow tailors exercises. Next is the breathing exercise, in which we use pulse deep breathing exercise and the abdominal breathing. How can what are the technique for the pulse deep breathing? Inhale with your nose and count 1 2, then exhale through your mouth 1 2 3 4. Then abdominal breathing exercises or diaphragmatic breathing. Lie on your back with your knees bent and a pillow under your knees, or sit up straight in a chair. Place one hand flat on your upper chest and the other hand on your stomach. Breathe in slowly through your nose, breathe out slowly through the pursed lips. Then here is the some eye exercises which can be used for the diplopia in myasthenia gravis patients. Side to side exercise. Move the eyes side to side, up and down, circular motions, intense eyelids compression, circular motion in form of infinity sign, frequent blinking without stress, looking at the tip of the nose. These are all exercises for the eyes which is used for the diplopia patients. Thank you.